Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Hellpiercer in Type Soul on Roblox. So there will be like a lava rain environment event, and it has a chance to occur every 30 minutes. It's indicated by effects on your screen as well as lava rocks erupting from the lava, and it has a chance to spawn a loot orb when wherever the rock lands, which will reward you from the event pool, which includes the Hellpiercer part. So I'll just play this. Oh, okay. Play this here, but basically you can craft the Hellpiercer using the Hellpiercer parts. Let's do hollow. I don't know, just do Taylor, and then basically later you can craft it. You will need these parts: two Hellpiercer fangs, one Hellpiercer head, and one Hellpiercer shaft, and one Hellpiercer spike. Basically, you will need that to craft the Hellpiercer weapon on this game. But that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, why is he attacking me?